So cute. This is a Totoro bib. I don't know. And last time I forgot this component. I brought this, then I forgot this. So hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today we are going to be doing what's in my diaper bag. Huh? It's not a what's in my regular bag, what's in my diaper bag, because now that I have a baby, we have a diaper bag. Now, I didn't really do a lot of research as to what bag I wanted. I just knew that I wanted something spacious that I could fit things in and store a lot of things in there. So that was really just the biggest component for me. Have side pockets so that things were accessible. There's so many different diaper bags that are out there in the market, accessible. Oh, and another quality that I wanted was for it to be durable and to ensure that it's easily cleanable. So I ended up choosing the Lululemon diaper bag. This is only purchasable online. I got it on Lululemon HK, and this is what it looks like. And front pocket, a big opening, which is what I wanted, and then the side pockets. This is really nice. Now there's so many different bags out there. I just saw one on Amazon in which like it can open up and then become like a mini resting space for the baby. I just blanked out. Anyways, I think what's important is that there is no right and wrong answer. You decide what you feel like caters to your baby's needs. I've only been out maybe like a handful of times, and I felt that these were the things that I've needed. I've been out for less than an hour, been out for more than 4 hours, and this is what I felt was useful when I brought the diaper bag out. Now, what you also need to consider is what your baby's needs are. Every baby is different. Now, one thing that I also wanted to do when packing the diaper bag was making sure that I pack the essentials and not just like adding extra fluff. I don't want to overpack because somebody has to carry it and it's heavy and not ideal. And the amount of things you have to bring is still a lot, okay? So I have packed a bag, and then the number of items that you bring will depend on the number of hours that you go out. So let's open it up. This is the Lululemon bag. It has like, there's so many little nice pockets, but what really got to me is that I love the quality of Lululemon products, and their nylon is really nice. Like this one seems like waterproof and easy to clean, and that is one of the main things that got me. This is black, easy to bring out. The shoulder area seems very comfortable for me, and also Pat to carry. I don't know about Pat. Do you think it's comfortable?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Okay, then in here, oh, it says, what do you need today? I just noticed this. I have these two bags. These are bags from Calpac. Let's open what I put. These are travel bags, and I got them as a set, and this is one of them that I use. This one I think contains the clothes. So in it, I have these reusable nipple pads. These have been really good because they do not leak. So the possibility of you leaking is very slim when you use this. One thing that I would highly recommend when you are starting to breastfeed in general, when you give birth, is to have these already and not use the disposable ones, because these ones like really last long and you can wash them and then they feel soft. They're easy to use. I haven't leaked ever since I started using them. These are from Tiny Buds. They have like another sub-brand, and that's what it is. I'll put in the link down below. Next in this bag is like a small cloth. This is like a muslin slash cloth in which you can use if ever you want to change the diapers, or you want to use it when you are wiping things down or put the baby over. Then in here we have a bib, and use the bib whenever you are feeding the baby to ensure that they don't because they like to like spill. When they're drinking, they like to go "Ugh," or vomit it out. This one is just general protection, and you're not gonna be leak proof if they vomit. But this one is from my friend Christina. Thank you, Tita. So cute. This is a Totoro bib. Then, of course, you have extra clothes. Suri really likes onesies, so I like to pack a onesie so that it's comfortable. This one is getting too small already. This is from my mom. So cute. And you know me, I like blacks, but you know, your child hasn't figured out what color they like. So get them to wear all the colors. Experiment. Be as colorful as possible. Here we have an extra pair of sock shoes. These are the only things that I recommend because don't wear shoes. They don't really like it. These are just comfortable, light, and they protect them from dirt. Then also gloves. Gloves are really important to prevent scratching from the face and also from other foreign objects. So I have an extra one, but of course, depending on how long you are going to be out for, you will need to add into your bag the type of clothes, the number of bibs, the number of cloth that you decide to put on. But these are what I feel like are super essential when going out. Next bag in here, diapers. We have actually started using reusable diapers at home, but I find that if you are going out, you don't want to be carrying poop, etc. And it's just not convenient. So I have these disposable ones that I have packed, and also it will depend on how long you are going to be going out. I have currently 3 right now, and depends on how often your baby would like to change, you will need to add. But make sure you just estimate and kind of add 1 or 2 for safety, depending on the number of hours you're going to be out for. Then we have a muslin. Make sure that it's out and accessible so that you can easily pull it out when you want to carry your bebe. And this one is great. They're soft, they're comfortable. You put it over your shoulder. Next, this one actually came with the bag, which is great. This is another bag within a bag from Lululemon, and this is a diaper changing pad. So obviously, you're not gonna find a diaper changing pad every single place. So sometimes you wanna be hygienic and you bring this out. And the first time we went out with Suri, when we went to the steakhouse, she was on top of this like food serving platter, and I don't know what you call that, and then we put this on, and then you would want to like maybe pat it with that white cloth or something like that. This one has a strap to make sure that it is strapped on. And then when you're done, you put it back in. There are other things that you can put. If you want to like carry this as a side bag, you can do that as well. And like you could still use this. What I like about this is that it's not like an obvious diaper bag. Like you could probably use this to work out if you wanted to in the future. This is really nice. And the quality of Lululemon is just great. And then we have this. This is from Arpedia, and it has information about our daughter. I pack it because you never know, you might need to go to the doctor, but you can leave it at home, take pictures of it if you don't want to bring that out, just in case. And then in here, I have another bag. In here is my pump. This is great. You just stick this in the freezer, and then you have the bottles that you use. The breast pumps that I use are from Medela, and this is the Flex style. It will be in the link down below. Here it is. You unhook this, and then you get the sucky cup. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You stick it in, and then and last time I forgot this component. I brought this, then I forgot this. So over here, you stick this in, and then you stick it in, and then suck. There we go. That's what it is. So in my bag, I also have the other component. This one doesn't need to be as in a bag for me because it's just in one of these pockets, because like you don't need to worry about hygiene as much. I mean, it's still protected, but like I don't need a bag for it. Usually I pump for like 30 minutes, and if I'm feeling tired, 15. Okay, then in this front compartment, I have wet wipes. These are the ones that my friend Audrey recommended, and also my other friends have recommended this. These are the water wipes, the world's purest baby wipes. People make claims all the time. You get whatever wipes you like. We use cotton at home, which I like because it's softer on the baby's butt. This is easy, accessible, quick to use. Don't use too many. Be as conscious as possible. I don't know. Then in front, you also want to have other things accessible. We have 3 other things. We've got the cleansing water from Wistela. This is like a travel one that I came with like a 5-in-1, And I feel like this is really nice. Mistela has been really good. This one is the vitamin barrier cream. Sometimes you get pula, which is what they say when it's like a little bit like red or whatever. This one is what you use on the butt. And then I also have my hand sanitizer spray, the black one that I hook onto the side, but I left it downstairs and I'm not getting it anymore. So I have this one. This is from Tiny Buds, natural hand sanitizer. Very good. Happy with it. You've got all of that. You're ready to go. Oh, I forgot one more thing that's in here. I've got a comb from Tommy Tippy, as well as another comb from Tommy Tippy. And this one, of course, you gotta fill it with milk. Now I pump and I put these bottles to save my nipples from falling out. And I've been using Komotomo and Avent so far. I actually prefer the Avent ones. Komotomo looks nicer. It's chic. It's aesthetic. But this one has prevented a lot of leaks. The amount of milk that comes through is a little bit more controlled, especially for newborns. But the Komotomo ones, like, they're good, but this one so far, between the two brands that I've used and people told me that they were good in my baby registry, this one is what we prefer. Even though Komotomo is nicer and softer, has silicone, is aesthetic, but we want to go for what the baby is. Because, I mean, baby doesn't look at aesthetic. Okay, anyways, that's in my bag. This is what the bag looks like. So this bag comes with a pump. And this one you can easily lift up. Then you have inside compartments in which I put the pump device. And then this one, medical stuff in here. These extra bags, this is the diaper changing bag. You can also use it as a side strap, whatever you prefer. Boom. And then I have these CalPack bags. This one had diapers. You can also put it in the inside compartment, but what I like is that this is a little bit sanitary. And then this one are her clothes. Oh, and then I'll put the muslin first. But you want to maybe put it in front or on the side. But you want to keep it inside so that it's a little more sanitary. Boom.
Nice. Hooray.
Hooray. So nice. I love this bag, actually.
The wipes.
The wipes are okay.
Nice. Looks good. Whoa.
You don't do one shoulder. This is what destroys your back. It's,
yeah, what is this, middle school?
Yeah, it's not middle school anymore. And also, I don't think students care anymore. Backpack, backpack. There you go. That's it. We're off now. So before I leave, I also wanted to just say that what you put in the bag is up to you. This is what has been useful for me. And I feel like, yes, you can be helpful. So if you want to give any comments or suggestions, please be helpful and actually explain. Okay? And if you want to word it out nicely, go ask ChatGPT to do it. They will phrase it out nicely for you so that it's easier on the eyes. Everything is dependent on what your needs are, where you live, what is needed on your everyday journey. Okay? This is what is essential for me. What is essential to you will look a little bit different, but I feel like this is what mostly a lot of people need. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. This is what's in my bag. Baby bag. Bye, everyone.
Say bye. Make the bag say bye.